Okay, we're going to look at a exam question in financial maths, and it's the first example in the exam questions section. It's in the Google Classroom. So, anyways, here's the problem. Siphokazi, she bought a house. She paid a deposit of 102,000, and they say that's 12% of the price of the house. 12%. 102,000 is 12% of the price of the house. She gets a loan from the bank to pay the balance, but the bank charges her interest of 9% compounded monthly. The first thing they want you to figure out is what's to determine the selling price of the house. Well, 12%, that means 0.12 of the price of the house. I called the price of the house X. If I take 0.12 and I multiply it by X, I'll get 102,000. Well, that makes it pretty clear what I got to do to find X, the price of the house. I must divide both sides by 0.12. And I get the price of the house is 850,000. Now, what you're going to need for the next part is you're going to need what the loan's going to be. Well, you paid off 102,000, so you go 850 minus 102,000. The loan you're going to have to take out is 748,000. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to leave that little loan part there. Now we're going to look at the next question. Let's take a look at the next question. I'm going to get rid of this stuff here now because I don't need it. And I'm going to pull this up here. The period of the loan is 20 years. And it says if she starts repaying the loan 1 month after it was granted, figure out her monthly payments. So this is how you do it. You take the present value formula and you just go, okay, P, that's the loan itself. Well, the loan's 748,000. That goes right in there. And then you know that I is 0.09 over 12, so you put that in for there. And it said 20 years. So you go 20 times 12, and that's why there's a 240 right there, 240. Well, I put in all the information into the formula. I don't really have to do the step in the middle here that the memo and the government memo shows. All I have to do is go 748,000 divided by, and then I type in the right-hand side exactly the way it appears. And if I do that, 748,000 divided by this, exactly the way it appears, you'll get the monthly payment. You'll get the monthly payment of 6,729 and 95 cents. And that's it. I think I'll leave that there for the first part.